What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 4 hourly, and I want to show you the bearish case scenario, but also the bullish one. The bearish one being that if we do break that $36,000 last higher low, as you can see on the chart, $33,000 is almost guaranteed. But let's talk also about the potential bullish case scenario. I see two bullish patterns that could take us all the way up to $40,000 and even $42,000 range. Question is, will we manage to continue to the upside or roll back down, because the resistance here is absolutely incredible. We're taking a look at the 2 hourly, this descending broadening wedge. We are getting a little bounce from the support levels, as you can see here on the chart. Will we manage to climb all the way to the resistance and break it in the next coming hours and days? This is something that we're talking about today. Make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe daily to on Bitcoin, crypto. I also do live streams to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Don't buy sell anything that I say. And if you do so, make sure to do your own research. Guys, remember, if this video gets over 1,000 likes, you comment down below, you eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Let's dive in here straight into the chart, guys, because it looks really messy, right? We do see the Bitcoin price just going down and down and down here for the last few days. Are we going to have a bounce? Are we going to have a reversal? Well, I want to talk about the bearish case scenario first, guys, because it is true that we almost retested the lows here, the last higher low that we did create at the beginning of February from this uptrend. Now we just almost retested that range. Now it is pretty clear, in my personal opinion, if this support level is broken successfully, it's very, very likely to come down and retest the lows here from January, which is at the $33,000 area. Now, simple. If it breaks support, it will be heavy resistance, and as you can see, we do have a big spike of point of control right there. So this is the last case for Bitcoin holding and getting a potential big bounce, all right, relief rally in the next coming hours and days. Now, like I said, that is the bearish case scenario. We have major support that will be turning into heavy resistance, will be heavily continuing to the downside to that $33,000. Let's take a look at the bullish case, because I do see here, let's talk about the first bullish case scenario. And I just want to show you the point of control also here from these highs to the lows. Biggest point of control is right over here where we do have this red horizontal line. It is exactly at these levels. As you can see, it is exactly at that $36,000 range where we currently was trading just a few hours ago. We are getting that bounce right here. Will this level hold? Well, there is a possibility that this level will hold, because this is also forming a potential bullish bat pattern. And I want to explain to you, okay, I'll be leaving the picture right over here so you can see that from this low on the 4 hourly, we went to this high all the way almost to $46,000. We corrected, came back up here to this 44.5, 44.7 range, and now correcting down. Now on the back pattern, you want to see the 88, all right? You want to see from the Fibonacci, from this low to the high, you can see I've added it to the Fibonacci, the 0.88, which was at the 37.3 where we're currently trading. If we regain, we're not going to hit that exact level. We did hit it. We did get a big bounce, as you can see here on the chart. Now, you could see a little bit of volatility till you potentially continue to the upside, all right? We want that 0.88 to be met, okay? And you can see here, these are the levels. I will have the picture on the side so you can take a look at also the major impulses that needs to be, okay, as you can see on the bat pattern. Also very important, all right, it needs to be in between the 1.6 and the 2.6, okay, 161 and 261, as you can see, the expansion from the low to the highs here, right over here. It needs to be in between 1618 and 2618. We are just at the 2618, as you can see, getting that support. Very, very important Fibonacci level. This is the last point for the bat pattern to potentially, play out, as you can see. And you must think to yourself, what are the levels of the bat pattern, bullish bat pattern? Well, taking the fib level from A to D, we should be hitting 382 which is the first potential target, which is at the 39.9, okay, just below, slightly below $40,000. And guess what? We do have a CME gap, all right, just at that range, okay? To close the gap, we would have to be hitting those levels. So this is also giving you a little bit of more probabilities to come to 382 here from this potential back pattern. We got a gap right there. So will it be filled in the next coming hours, maybe couple of days? All right, very interesting to see. I do see a potential bullish momentum after this massive downtrend. Now you could also see the divergence on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly, where you are creating, you know, lower lows, you are creating higher lows on the RSI. It's just another thing to add up. I don't pay too much attention to the RSI, but yes, it's something you could add up. So yeah, look, you know, probabilities of getting this bounce, we are getting that reaction right now, is pretty high. Now, this is the first target of the back pattern. What is the second target? Second target is the 618. That would be the ultimate target from the back pattern, okay? Definitely protect your position. The good thing about these patterns, guys, you are risking, okay, very small amount right over here. You can potentially put your stop loss, you know, quite a few $100s below X, okay? So in this case, it would be at the 35.5, approximately around that range, okay? Something like that right over here, just in case, because of the volatility. But your risk to reward is absolutely huge. So you're risking 1 here to gain potentially 3 all the way to the 382, or 5 all the way up here to the 618, okay? So the risk to reward is very, very high, as you can see here on the chart. So it's definitely worth the risk. If it doesn't play out, you're stopped out, then that is that, guys. You know, this is the thing. Trading is risky, but, you know, risk management is absolutely key. So what if we do come all the way up to the 618? Well, you can see it on the chart. We do have this major consolidation. We also have this one right over here. It's going to be very, very hard for the Bitcoin price to get above this range. If I do zoom out, let me just get some stuff out of the way. Zoom out here on the 4 hourly. It is a big, big, big major level. Big major level, as you can see. Point of control, it's the biggest point of control. I'm talking about the 41.6 area. So, you know, 42.1 would be the 618. It is definitely going to be a major, major level where it's going to be very difficult for the Bitcoin price to continue to the upside. So this right over here might be a big shorting opportunity. Until we get to those levels, then yeah, we will look for trading opportunities if we do get up there, okay? Because then we can take a look at fib levels also from this high to the low. It is, you know, also around about the 618. So yeah, a lot of confluence at that level. I don't want to predict that we are going to go up there, and you know, we potentially can because of this back pattern like I showed you. We've got a big nice point of control right there getting supported. It is also, you know, it is also funny enough, we did dip below the 618 and 65, as you can see. But we're potentially going to get a little bit of volatility here, and it might hold and continue to the upside, guys. So this is the scenario, the bullish case scenario that I'm taking a look here with this potential back pattern on the 4 hourly. Remember, for experienced traders, down below, you get the best bonus available on my favorite trading platforms. Bybit, you get up to $4,100 worth of bonus and a 30% trading fee discount. My favorite day trading platform, PrimeXBT, up to $7,000 with Bitcoinsensus 50 promotion code. You get 7% added to your deposit. Both of the tutorials are also down below in the description, guys. I want to go really fast, guys. I don't want to, you know, talk too much. Let's dive in straight into the 2 hourly, because there's this descending broadening wedge. I see quite a lot of people mentioning this on Twitter. And yeah, this is also a scenario, you know, looking at the back pattern, bullish back pattern, we got a descending broadening wedge. This is taking a look at the 2 hourly chart, all right? And this is slightly bullish. We are getting holded by the support range just by a thread, as you can see. And taking a look at the 2 hourly, it is pretty cool to see, you know, the lower lows and the higher lows on the RSI. As you can see, this is giving you a little bit of higher probability to see a potential big bounce till you get to the potential overbought territory. And this is why we could have that leg up to at least, you know, round about $39,000, 38.5, 30, and between 38.5 and 39. And here is the level where you could potentially get massive rejection. Why? Because it's the top from these lower highs. It is also this major resistance that we did have in January and the beginning of February. So it is a major level, that $39,000 level. It's going to be very, very hard to get above this range. But if it does, we do have also a potential projected move from this descending broadening wedge. Where is that projected move? It is also about the $40,000. This would be the width of the wedge from the breakout, depending on where we'll be breaking out. It might be in the next coming hours, next couple of days. All right, from the resistance point, you can see it is taking us to round about $40,000. Like I mentioned, there is a CME gap right there. So everything points out that we could have that leg up in the next coming hours, or days. It won't be in hours, potentially maybe a couple of days. But like I said, this doesn't mean it's going to be ultra bullish for the next coming weeks. We do have heavy resistance. And this is something that we'll be taking a look on the live streams, major big levels, okay, of resistance where we could get heavily rejected. So price is pumping right now. I am going to end up, guys. These are the bullish case scenarios. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. We've got the latest news and technical analysis. Thank you for joining, and I will see you guys in the next one.